World of binary options. I am Todd, and the other guy in the other black shirt is Eric. That's my co-host. I say co-host because he's inferior to me, the host. And tonight,
you're only here because of me, so quit lying.
So I'm gonna be calling all the shots and making all the good trades. Eric is just kind of tagging along. He doesn't know what he's doing. He tries, but
hey, tonight is one of those nights, dude. I'm actually pretty excited about this. I mean, we're gonna throw a total wrench into everything that we've been doing.
yes,
a good wrench.
We hit Good Wrench. Isn't that a company?
We had
an idea today.
Yeah, we had an idea. This is just a couple days ago. I thought to myself, I'm never changing again. If Todd tries to talk me into changing something, I'm gonna quit, because every time we start getting on a roll and we're doing good, we start changing stuff. Well, tonight we're gonna change something. It's gonna be for the better, I think, because the only reason we're trying this is because martingale is dangerous, and
to some extent. Now we've been making it work, but there is the risk. The risk that we've been facing is that every night when we place a trade, and we win 12 trades a night. So when we place one, there is the possibility that we could go to a sixth trade, and we could potentially lose that sixth trade. Now, what happens, Eric, when we lose a sixth trade?
I know it all well. You lose all your money.
Right. We would blow the account out. So that's the risky part of binary options. So the martingale system has worked for us, but we were trying to think what would happen if we could avoid that and use more of a compounding strategy, and that's what we came up with. So I'm going to let Eric explain that real quick.
It'll be a quick explanation, because I want to get to doing this, so we can explain. I'm gonna explain this one time very quickly. Hang on, and then just watch tonight, and you'll see what we're doing. Okay, we're going to be trading on 1.3% of our account. We are in our plan right now. We are at an account balance of, we're trading at $116. We have $116 in reserve, or in what we call fortified. We're trading on 1.3% of that. So our first trade is going to be $1.56. I'll explain the difference of that. And then when we win that profit is $1.25. Then we're going to take $1.25 and we're going to compound trade that. So we're going to win trade 2, trade 3, trade 4. Our profit is going to be $6.04. We're going to take that $6.04. We're going to split it into 3 segments. There's 3 things here: a blue, a purple, and a red. All we have to do after we win this first series of compounding trades is win one more series of 3. So we start with $2.01, which is 3 divided by that. If we win 3 trades here, 3 more series in a row, you can't lose any. Then we have our profit plus $4 in extra. So we actually have more. So we have $4 surplus. Well, we have our $11.52 profit, which is what we want to make. And then we have our $4 surplus. So tomorrow, then the next time, we take that $4.25 surplus and we'd start over right here. So we don't have to do any martingale trading at all. In other words, we'd just be trading our first trade off our surplus. The only problem is if we basically lose this series like multiple times, like 8 times in a row, we would lose like $8 or $9. Okay, so that's fine. That would be basically 1% of our account. Okay, that's right. It. Let's get into trading.
So, but first.
Oh yeah.
I want to show everybody my muscles.
Oh yeah.
Who remembers these?
Flex them out, baby. Flex them out.
Headbutt, smash.
Hey,
smash,
those look
smash,
like my muscles. All right, so I'm going to print this out because I can't do this from my screen.
Yeah, I'm going to actually go in and start finding some charts. Okay,
so you go find some charts. I'm printing this out. I'm making sure that our win tonight is supposed to be 576, which would be times 2 would be 11. Okay, hold on. I'm going to grab the printer.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay, I did it. So I've got the sheet now. I see what we got to win. Our trades are going to be
So are we
So
okay?
we're just
Now,
gonna
did we
start out
decide?
with $1.25.
Did we decide? Are we starting out? Well, okay, so we're just doing.
We're gonna start out from yesterday's surplus.
Okay, so-
we're gonna use yesterday's wins to start this plan.
Well, then American Express looks good for at first glance. Anyway, there's a little bit of bottom wick though. It's just a little past that. Well, no, there's kind of not. But
Oh my gosh! So we have to win.
so we have to be
Three-
careful with these trades because we got to win consecutive trades. So
And if we don't, then you know what's gonna happen.
yeah, we have to start all over. That's
Exactly.
the only catch here. But we do win a lot of consecutive trades. So
Well, when we find them, we win them.
yeah.
Other times we lose them, but I mean that's fine. We can lose. It doesn't matter if we lose because we're not going to be martingaling. So you're going to lose like 1% of your account if you lose. Whoa, jeez. Okay,
What are you on there?
that was Amazon. That's just kind of tanking. A lot of
I was looking at American Express, but I don't know if it's going to actually go down here. But it looks like it could be possibly about to form a downtrend, but you never know with these things.
that looks like crap.
Okay, all right. Well, there you heard it from the whoa, Boeing.
Oh yeah, Boeing looks good.
Let's
All right,
put
we
some
need to-
lines on that bad boy and see where it's going.
Well, I mean there was a line up here. Crap. Should we get in on this? No, I gotta set our bid 125. A minute trade. I mean, there was a line there. It's been the problem with Boeing is I don't know that it's a real break. I mean, I guess it is. I guess it is a kind of a breakout.
But there are some lines back there.
Oh yeah. There are definitely some lines back there.
I mean, quite a few of them, really, and you don't know which one it's going to stop at and which one is
Yeah.
not.
It's kind of moving like crazy.
So, okay, so
Ooh.
we're ultimately looking at what, 7 consecutive
Look at
wins? Is
Twitter,
that what we
dude.
want?
Yeah, look at Twitter. Well, really, it's only 6 wins because we're starting with our surplus from yesterday. So you have to
Okay.
win 3 in this series, then we have to win 3 in this series.
Okay, so Twitter, yeah, it's going up. I mean, it's definitely there.
I think we get. Let's. It's gonna hit a line. It's gonna hit this line right here, which is it. It stayed at this for a long time. If it can break
Yeah.
this line, basically this area of resistance.
Then it could go up for a while.
Yeah. I don't know that it's going to. Man, we did all those numbers and I got tired, dude. Holy crap. Amazon just tanked back up.
It tanked back
Whoa.
up. How do you tank up? Do you tank up or do you tank down?
I don't know. Ask Putin. He's tanking up.
There you go with politics. This show is a politics-free show, friends.
Oh,
Not that
man.
not that we don't have our views. It's just that I know that our views will get us canceled by about everybody out there.
Oh, yeah. Whoa. Visa. Visa looks. Were we on Visa before? Visa's got a lot of turning, but I don't know. Visa's not good. What did I say? Twitter. Twitter's bouncing back down. It is. It's not a weekend, is it?
Yeah, I
Friday?
saw
Ooh.
that. I'm just
Ooh,
looking.
dude, silver. Look at silver. Oh my gosh, bro. Bro.
Okay, let me see.
Bro. That's a lot of tile wicks, but like
Oh yeah.
that's like a lot of down pressure.
Is it okay? It's out of line right now.
It's
is it
kind of
gonna-
yeah, it's at a line. It's getting kind of liney.
We need to see what it's going to do beyond this line here.
Look at all
'Cause,
those
yeah,
wicks. I mean, that's
there's a lot of
crazy.
wicks. Those scare me. I mean, those are
Yeah, it
some
means it's-
massive wicks. but
But it's never went green.
yeah, but aside from the wicks, it has broken that line, hasn't it?
Yeah, that doesn't mean a lot to me unless it really breaks it. I mean, it's got another one. It went down to another one right here. So I mean, it could. But the MACD's in a good position, like a real good position. It's weird. It's weird how it has so many wicks on it. I just think that's odd.
Yeah,
I haven't seen that like in a long time or
A
ever.
lot of top wicks
Like-
means it's going
like
green a
it's-
lot, and then ultimately going down, but then retracting from its down position because there's top and bottom wicks.
Right. It passed through there. I don't know. I mean,
It's due for a green candle at some point.
yeah, for sure. Look at 'em- Look at Amazon and see if you think that it's gonna go up for a while. Ooh, you know what I think might break out is ExxonMobil. If it breaks that line, then kind of underneath, it looks like it might be changing position, changing directions.
You think it's going to break out?
I don't know.
Well, it's got a big, wide open space. It's moving sideways,
Right.
which means at some point it's just got this big area it could just tank down.
Right. I think it
Like
I think
free
it's wanting
fall.
to. Yeah, it went up pretty far. See, right here would have been our 7 wins right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You know?
Yeah. Yeah, if we can just find a line, then yeah, we could.
Oh man, silver is still doing that. I mean, silver might be due for a green candle, but what the heck?
Wow, there's so many currencies in 80% right now. I don't normally see that. Usually there's like 2 that have an 80% payout, and now it's like almost all of them.
Well, I haven't seen that for months. That's weird.
Yeah, that is kind of weird. Yeah. Just a reminder to all of our watchers, whoever you are, that we are closing off our inner circle. So if you're not in it yet, you're not going to be able to be in it much past about 30 days from now. By the end of this month, we're gonna close the gates on that because we're gonna be too far in it for people to get in. So
That made no sense, but I know what you mean. But
I
be
don't
too far in it for you to get
interpret
in it.
that. We're gonna be too high up in our trading numbers for people to. Oh, holy crap! Look at Euro USD. I mean, we might have missed the boat on this.
Yeah, I don't know. Excuse me. I did look at it and I was drawing a line on it, so I was like, I don't know. Do you think it's going back? You want to take? Yeah, let's just take this next trade. Maybe going up to that line.
How far up is your line?
It's not that far.
Okay. Well, yeah, it's not that far, but is it gonna go to that line and bounce off?
I don't know.
We finna see, I guess, huh? Because you're in it now.
I don't know. It's kind of big. Let's see what happens.
I mean, it's been going up for quite a while, so we'll see what happens.
So we have to change. So if I win this bid, we have to change our bid to 225, right?
If this trade wins, yeah.
Oh, like we have to re-enter at 225. Do we have to re-enter?
But I don't know that I would immediately re-enter this. Even if this wins, it doesn't look promising. So I wouldn't, because remember we have to win consecutively. So
Well, that was terrible.
yeah, and I didn't give you the green light on that.
I thought you were
Not that
okay.
you needed it, but
No, I kind of did.
I was kind of
Right.
wondering why you just kind of just placed that. I was examining that, and next thing I know, like we're in it. So
You were in it to win it, dude.
I wasn't in that one to win it.
Well, crap then. Oh, look at CAD CHF. I don't know. Maybe. Yeah, let's totally agree then, because like
Yeah, why don't we? That's normally how it works, but
CAD CHF is that's too bouncy. I don't think that's a breakout either. I think we did miss on Euro USD. That was a massive setup. I feel like my thought process is kind of skewed because we changed our method. So now I just have to we really are looking for a full out uptrend with like we can't just wait until we're absolutely sure, because you just never know.
well, okay, look at USD RUB. I mean, let's see how far this is going.
USD RUB?
Yeah, I don't know how far this is going to go or if it's going to go anywhere.
Huh. Well, it could go pretty far, dude.
It looks early on, so I mean, kind of. It's been going up for a while, but
goes up, goes
but
down,
it looks
goes up,
like
goes
it.
down. Yeah.
Do you want to make up that trade you just lost?
Maybe. Are we going to martingale this?
Well, now that we're already into profit, then I don't know. Do we need to?
I don't know. I mean, we can martingale it if you want. I mean, we lost it.
Yeah.
It'd be a 281.
Okay.
You want to make it up here? You think? I think this is going up. Let's go.
Yeah,
Yeah?
go ahead.
Let's just martingale this and not lose out of our account.
Yeah, then we're
guess.
going to get this one. This one's going to win, dude. I'm confident this is going to win, but that's going to give us our $1.25 to go ahead with our next trades. And then,
Well, this will be. Well, we can put a 225 on this then, because that would be like we won
Okay.
the first one. So if you
well,
want,
we got to be careful and kind of sure that it's going to keep going.
Well, it is the line.
Okay, so all right, so you got the next amount
I
set.
got the next amount at 225.
Okay.
Man, that looks so good.
Does this give us the win plus the
Yeah, it gives us the win plus
Okay.
the $1.25, right?
gives us the $1.25 we lost back plus a win?
Yeah,
Right?
it gives us the $1.25 we got back plus the win.
Okay,
So
ready?
Yeah. So we're gonna say, this is our win. I don't know how it works. So we martingaled that one, and we got.
Yeah, it
back.
looks like so. I'm back to 523. So we're still in on yesterday's profit.
Yeah, right. But we
We just
didn't-
don't have a loss on it yet.
Yeah, we don't have a loss. We're in on yesterday's profit without a loss, which is fine. So the next trade's going to be 405. If this wins, okay. If this wins, should I take it? Yeah, I should, because it'll be.
Depends
Yeah.
what kind of strength it goes up with.
Let's just take it if it goes green. Crap! Come on, sucker! Come on. Should I wait then? This is tiny.
Yeah, I would wait. I would let it. Hopefully, we get the win, and then see if we get the win. There we go. We got the win. We got the don't re-enter. Yeah, there you go.
Okay.
Because I don't know where it's going from here. So we got our win. Okay, so
The
that
next
gives
one's
us
405. Okay, so that's good. We got our first win.
okay.
I think
So-
this is rounding. I mean, with the candle size, I think it's rounding. Now maybe it'll keep going. So let's just keep watching it, because we still are above. We're still above. Still are going up. If this one's pretty good, you want to enter back in?
What's the next trade?
$4.05?
Okay, and we are one trade into the game.
No, this is our second trade. This will be our third trade. 1, 2, 3. We did a 125, a 225, and a 405. This will be our third trade. If we win this, we're going to split. I don't know, man.
Wait, we've already won two because we
We've
lost
won
the
two.
first one. We just won a makeup, right? And then did we
Yeah.
win one more? Yeah, we lost, then we had a win, and then a win. Okay, so this is the third trade. This is be a third win, right?
Yeah, because we won technically the one that we won was a win. I mean, because we won what we lost, and we won a makeup. Does that make
Okay.
sense? We won what we lost, and we won back what we.
Yeah, but our initial trade is still out of yesterday's profit. Okay, I'm just trying to understand.
We're still working out of yesterday's
Even though we
profit.
martingaled it, we're still working from. Okay, gotcha.
Because we don't want. Yeah, we don't want to lose. We don't have to leave a loss on the table if we don't want to tonight. Like a first loss. We don't have to
Right.
leave a first loss on the table, do we?
No, I don't want to do that. So we could consider this our second, but if it's up to you. I mean, because I'd like to just move forward, but and if we're careful, we will. I don't know. This may go down. It's been up for a while. And it looks like it could go down, but it could tank down. We could actually pick up some wins on this, but it's going towards the white line. But we'll see. It's still an uptrend, but everything is in overbought. So,
Yeah, I don't know.
it's also could just fall too. So,
If it does, then we'll know it, right?
yeah. But it could throw 3 red candles and then keep going up. That's not unheard of. We're just gonna watch it for a minute, see what it wants to do here.
Yeah, because if it starts going back up from here and the MACD cricks back up, then it might go up to that line. It's been doing that. It dropped 3 candles here and then went straight
So
up.
if we lose a trade though, then we have to go back to the first trade and then martingale it, right? If we lose it.
I mean, we're working off yesterday's profit, right? So it doesn't matter. Okay. So the first, I'm going to do this math, so I know you're going to be asking me all night. So
Well, we did
$1.25
martingale the first one,
Yeah, $1.25 we lost, right?
but we martingaled it, didn't we? You made
Yeah,
it
we made
$2.
it 281 times. So then, so we made $2.24 back. Okay, minus the $1.25 that we lost. So we actually made, we made the $1.25 that we made, and we made 99 cents.
Okay. So we made $1.
So that would have been So oh man, this
About
is,
to get a double cross like you like to talk about on
Do you want to
USD.
double cross this one down? I mean,
Do you think it's going to go? What do you think it's going to do? In your best guess, the MACD is now double crossed.
Yeah,
the-
for real.
The stochastic crossed a few candles back.
Yeah,
Like,
1, 2, 3. I mean, it might go to that white line.
do you think it's
And
going to? We don't know if it's going to bounce off that line.
I don't know. It's dangerous because it's in an uptrend.
Yeah.
But that looks like a pretty decent double cross. 1, 2, 3, boom. We could take there's no upper wicks. We could take this next candle down. You want to take the next candle down?
And we could try it. Worst case scenario, we lose and it just kicks us back a few bucks.
Well, it'll kick us back to the beginning of what we're
But we only need this next win to be able to split, right?
right.
Yeah, I would go ahead and take it because there's
That's
no.
pretty-
It's showing a lot of down pressure, but we'll see. I mean, we could.
All right, let's take it.
It's a risk.
Well, no, it's going to go down to the next line, I think, is what it's going to do. If we win this, we can split. So this would be our third win, and we would be split, which would be phenomenal. So if we win this one, we're splitting to 201. So I'm going to go and put my 201 in here now, because if this wins, we could re-enter if we think this is going to go down again. I mean, I don't know. We got to look at it.
I think
and see.
that this. I have a feeling this is going to be a win,
I think we should probably wait on this though, because
but it's going to hit
I don't
that white line. So I would wait on the next.
it's a perfect double cross, but it's also against the trend.
right
Now we've got a triple cross, actually. I mean, we could just go ahead and take this. This could go down 9 candles, dude. This could go down 9 candles. Do you want to take this in? I think we should take it in. We're split now. This is a win.
Okay.
This is a split.
If we're split, then I'm good with it.
We're split with the $2. Okay, so that was our win, win, and then we're going to do split. This is a split one. This is series 2. Oh my gosh, this could win, dude.
I think it's going to, bro.
We need this and 2 more wins to do this. I don't know if I would re-enter again. If this gets real small,
yeah.
because it's going down to that line. But we could wait till if it's going to go through that line, it's going to go through it. But it generally bounces around the line. So I think we might want to just find another better, like safer one if this wins. This one looks a little hesitant.
It does, but I think it's going to win.
Yeah, I do think it's going to win.
I mean, it's slow moving. It's not rushing through there or anything.
Okay, so the next trade is going to be 362. Do you want in on this next one or not? I think maybe I don't know. Do you want in or not?
Yeah, I mean, it shows no sign of slowing down.
Okay.
So might as well take it.
It does actually show a slight sign of slowing down. The indicators don't, but how it's kind of slow. It's kind of going slow, right? I mean, it's kind of.
I think it may go a little past that line.
There's no more red wicks though. So we have our first win. This is win 1 on here. So 1, 2, 3. We're into series 2 already. You tell me if you think it's going under this line. And
well, this is the real question. Is it going to go under the line? Because if it does, it's going to pick up steam and it's going to do this a while. So
362. So the next is a 652 and it'll be our last bid. Let's wait and see, or do you want to re-enter? I don't know, man. It could bounce off that line like a mother. I think we should hold our P's and Q's. What do you think?
I don't know, bro. I think it's going to go down.
Well, I entered because you said to do it.
Well, if it loses,
it's okay if it loses. We're only on a second. We're on a split at 201, so it has a lot of down pressure. A lot. Yeah.
It's just got to pull down. And if it pulls down, sometimes they struggle at this line, but man, this one shows a lot of down pressure. We'll see.
We're at 77% on this trade right here.
Oh, we are.
Oh, no, we're at... Okay.
Yeah, we are. We're at 77.
Okay, but at 80% on the last one, so it was pretty good, actually. Dang it. I had a feeling, dude.
Well, you were right, bro. You were right.
All right, so this will be a loss.
I don't know that it isn't going to keep going down, though.
Okay, yeah, let's watch it, because we're at Series 3 now. We're going to go back to... But this is...
But it's at 77%.
Right, which kind of throws it off. Okay. Series 3. So what we just had was a loss to start with. Then we had a win, win, win. Win-win. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 in a row.
I mean, do you realize that we increased the overall account increased by about $4
so far? Yeah.
Yeah.
So far, right now. Yeah, because we have $2 left and $2 left.
Yeah.
So we only have 2 more chances. But here's the thing, dude. Here's the thing. We're on Series 3. No, we're in Series 2. This is Series 4. This will be called Series 4. This is Series 2, Series 3. What we're thinking here is we're at $4. So we've got 2 and 2. We need 3. We basically need 3 wins in a row right now. We need 3 wins in a row. That's what we need to be done for the night. And we've only been trading 29 minutes.
Okay.
We need 3 wins in a row. We'll be done with the night, and we'll be in surplus. And, dude, we're not even in any danger. We are in no danger right now, bro.
Right, yeah, that's the good thing. We're in no danger.
Look at Boeing. Boeing's actually set up for a pretty nice down push. It's been going...
Oh, yeah.
I don't know if it's the right time,
well,
but...
everything is over.
It's double-crossed. It's there. I mean, it could go down 2 counters. You want to take this? It's kind of touching that line.
It looks good. I mean, yeah, you could try it. I mean, you get 7 seconds. I think it's going to go down, bro. Whoa.
Yeah, no, it's kind of weird, but it is double-crossed, and they're both out of overbought. I mean, it's mid-overbought, which makes me nervous.
It shot up there, but it is got a lot of down pressure.
What is this line? Yeah, that okay. I'm sitting here asking you, what is that line? I mean, that line is a massive line of resistance. Crap.
Well, that didn't go well.
That went terribly. All right, we got one more chance at this before we got to start all over. Ooh, McDonald's, dude. That's where we need to be. Look at McDonald's. Tell me I can enter this next candle. Well, hold on a minute. I don't want to get in here too quick. Let's look at it because it's got resistance there,
It's going up good. I mean,
resistance there and there and there. It's got a bunch of hills there. Oh, that's way high though. Okay. What do you think?
well,
I
it's
don't know,
dipping
man.
down right now if you want to get a good position.
You want me to take it now for a minute?
It's dipping down, so it's up to you. That's a good position if you can get it.
Yeah. It's 1 minute. So let's see. It's 1 minute. It's got low wicks. But I think this could win. And we need three. We basically need 3 in a row. So we lost that one. This is our last chance. We need 3 in a row. Is what we need.
Right.
So this one, and then the next win is going to be $3.62. 3.62. Okay. Do you think this is still going up? I kind of do.
I kind of do. I mean, everything about it shows it is. Every indicator shows it is. If you can get the next 2 candles in on it, do you got your trade amount set?
Should I get in right now? I should wait till I win this, or should I just get in now?
Get in at the next candle, I think, if you're...
Yeah, okay. We got 8 seconds on that other one.
Yeah, we're going to win that one.
So that's 1 win. And then 362 goes to 652. Okay, 652 is our next one. What do you think about this next candle? This is our final. I mean, this would be it for the night if we win this. If we win this one and the next one, we're good.
Let's see what it does.
That's getting kind of slinky.
We need that to launch up there. Good.
Come on, 25 seconds. If it does, I think we're good.
If that launches
we
up,
can't
then,
enter till it wins.
yeah, we can't enter till it wins. But if that launches up there, yeah, I'd say take the next one because I think it'll be a win.
Come on.
Come on, go up. Go.
Come on. You got 8
Come on,
seconds.
come on. You can do
got
it.
8
You can
seconds.
do it. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it.
2, 1. Okay, let's. Oh man, that was
There
a
we go.
crap position.
No,
All right.
I think you're okay. As long
Yeah,
as it
because
pulls
it's got
up.
a lot of up pressure. Okay, that was a win. 2. Why does it look volatile? It feels volatile here.
It feels like it, but it's
45
going up, dude.
45
It's
seconds,
going
dude.
up. It's going up.
All right,
Bro,
it
I
is
think
going up.
this could win.
Well, I will tell you something about this method. It feels really like if we lose this, it would suck because we'd have to start again. But if we win this, we're done for the night, and our account has been really safe. Like we didn't go 5 deep, we didn't have to martingale. This could win. I think it will. We got 17 seconds. Please let this win, and we would be done for the night, dude. I mean, in 33 minutes. That would be a record if we win this. If we win this, this will be a record.
It's not
win.
an if, bro. We did it.
We did it, man. We did it.
Thank you, Lord.
Oh.
Look at that. Woo!
Dude, that was 1174. We did it.
The account was in no danger all night, and we did it, bro. We did it,
Freaking fist
We
bump
did
that,
it.
baby. We did it, fist bump.
dude.
You can't leave me hanging on a fist bump, man.
Dude. Oh yeah. Well, I wasn't on the right
Oh.
screen. I didn't see
Oh,
it.
you didn't see
Bro.
me. I'm like, okay, dude.
I was looking at the chart, so I just closed out my chart, dude. Okay, so we just went. Heidi's account was at 523. It's now at 535. So what did we make, dude? What did we bring in?
523 to 535. Well,
And some change. I didn't look at the change, but
523 to 535.
figure that out. I'll be right back, dude. Hang with me. I'll be right back.
Okay. All right, folks. I'm figuring it out. It went up $12. That's what it went up. It went up $12. I think this is actually kind of a brilliant plan. Like, we won our percentage tonight. We were in almost absolutely no danger. 610, 68. So I'm gonna put this in him. Let's see. 61068 is what we got here. 61068. We go back over. I have to go to this chart here. This might actually. Me and Todd keep talking, and we keep figuring stuff out. It's hilarious. I'm going to show you what his actual profit was tonight. 61068. Okay, so I'm going to make this. We ended with 61068. Boom. We made it 1174. Okay. 576. That's what we needed to make. 5.76 times 2. Yeah, we were supposed to make, yeah. Oh my gosh. I mean, it's happening. It's happening, folks. It's happening. I'm going to fix this. So this is half daily growth. Okay, this is just this. I always have to redo this. This is what I do in my free time, y'all. I just make charts to see what we're gonna do. And I think out of this whole night, dude, I gotta tell you, I'd be the most excited right now.
What? Okay. I missed out. What happened?
Okay, dude.
What's
Listen,
going on?
here's the thing. We grew by 1174.
Yeah.
Which we were supposed to grow by 1152.
Mm-hmm.
So my charts are so good, dude. We are actually at a 22-cent surplus from where we started.
Wow.
Okay. So I mean it worked, dude.
So the account was ever only in danger on that very first trade. Instead of being in danger on 12 trades a night, it was in danger on 1.
Yeah. Now, I mean, if we would have lost that trade, then that last trade just now, we would have been 30 minutes in and had to start over.
Right. But that means that we won 4 consecutive trades, then lost 2, then won 3, right?
Yeah, we did. Here's what we did, and I'll write it in the comments. We lost that first trade. Okay.
Okay, then won.
Then we won, and then since we were on yesterday's money, it doesn't matter. So 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay, so we went through Series 1, got into Series 2. We lost Series 2 at the last trade,
Mm-hmm.
and then Series 3 we lost. Which that was your loss. You wanted to keep going. I thought we should have stayed. Series 3 we lost right away because I entered a stupid trade.
Mm-hmm.
And then I'm not trying to blast BAM. I'm just saying. Series 4 we did 3 in a row. Killed it.
Done. Yeah. Dude. in case you're wondering why we were late getting on here tonight, we were working out. We were kind of just hammering out this plan. So it took us a little while to figure it out. We got it figured out. We came in. We did it.
Yeah. I mean, dude, I mean, can we do it every night? I mean,
that's what I was about to say. Can we do this every night? Does it work every night?
I think so, because even at worst case scenario, let's say it didn't work. Like, let's say we would have lost that last third trade. We would have had to start at the beginning again. So we go back. Okay, our accounts would be in danger for 1 trade, and we're pretty good at that part. We're pretty good at martingaling.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, I liked tonight a lot better. It was more. It definitely didn't feel like. I mean, dude, when we get down to a 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th,
Right,
trade,
it did not feel like that. Yeah,
it didn't feel like that at all. It just felt like, yeah, let's go in. Okay, if we, it's more like you're playing a game with maybe like $1 or
right.
Well, you're at 1%. You're at 1% of your account, which is really low.
Right.
If you martingale that first trade, I think that's what we'd have to do, or work from our surplus. But if you run out of surplus, you'd have to martingale your trade, or you'd end up losing.
I think you have to martingale that first one. That
I do
way
think so. I do think so.
Yeah, but we do that with 12 trades every night. We martingale 12 trades every night. So
Yeah.
I think we'll be okay with 1. If we can't win that 1, then we're not going to be able to win 4 in a row.
Right. We're good enough to where we just won. We won 5 in a row. Then we won 3 in a row. I mean, that was what we did tonight. We had a couple losses in between, but that was
that was my idea to split that once you hit that 4th win, just in case that happened, and that ended up being a lifeline for us.
Well, I mean, honestly, tonight had we just won 5 in a row, we would have been done.
Really?
Well, we won 5 in a row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. But we split.
Yeah.
We won 3, then we split, then we won 2. But we could have won just 5 in a row. Had we not split tonight, now I'm not saying it would always be that way, but had we not split, we would have won 5 in a row right away. We would have had our 1187.
Yeah.
But you don't know. I mean, if we would have lost it, then we would have to go back and risk our account again.
Yeah.
I mean, either way, if we're not opposed to martingaling our first trade every single time, we could just go for 4 in a row and be done and not have to split it. But splitting it really saved our butts, because once we got past this series, this first series 1, we had 3 tries.
Exactly.
So
right.
I mean, and 3 tries with no pressure. Like, okay,
Right.
we gotta win 3 in a row, and then we'll be done tonight. I mean, we had
Yep.
3 tries to do it, dude. That was easy.
Yeah.
That was easy. You know,
Mm-hmm.
yeah. I mean, you could say, well, yeah, don't martingale it and just keep going. But then again, it's like,
No,
it
I
gave
figure
us-
we martingale that first one. It's easy. That way we don't cut into our account. Because if we don't martingale it, then basically what happens is we lose a few. Then our total for today, our winnings for today,
Would have
aren't
been minus that.
a true level clear. You know, we didn't truly clear the level.
Mm-hmm.
So we have
Yeah,
to,
we have to clear a level, or we're never gonna get this done.
right.
So I'm gonna go into the chat. We made our growth.
We did make our growth for the day.
We did a loss, win, win, win. Series 2, we did a win, win, loss. Series 3, and we'll explain this more later. We did a loss. Series 4, we did a win, win, win. Done. There we go. So we did a loss, win, win, win. Series 2, win, win, loss. Series 3, loss. Series 4, win, win, done. I mean, dude, in our method, it is not hard to get 3 in a row.
Right.
I think
it's
that's
not
something we
yeah.
might have learned over the last 20 some episodes, is like, when you're in, you're in. I mean, when you're
Right.
winning, you're winning. If
Yeah.
you lose, you're losing. And
Because
that's fine.
the strategy we use is based on these kind of trends like this, where you're getting multiple candles the same color in a row.
Yeah.
That's just how we trade. So, whoa, what was that? That's Twitter.
What?
Was that? Is that Twitter right there?
Oh, this?
Look at that
Yeah,
big long
Twitter.
downtrend.
Yeah, I think we might have won on this, didn't we? Is this where we were winning? Hold on. No. But yeah, we missed that. It went right through the white line. Boom. Double cross, went through the white line. The white line was straight. I would have taken this. This is a double cross I would have taken. A double crossed here, going through the white line, bam. You could have won all your night right there.
Yeah.
And I mean, you know, I want to be greedy. I want to win more, but that's like, if you got in here, okay, if you got in once the confirmed cross happened, you would have won 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Mm-hmm.
You could have won 3 and then stopped and then waited. And I think it's smart to stop. I mean, if you win 3 that first series, you can just stop and wait for the next.
Right.
Go find another trend, unless you just think it's going to keep going. But sometimes it is. I mean, we bid through the white line tonight, and we. I think that white line that we bid through tonight kind of gave us something here. Yeah, that was some killer wins right there. This white line is the one that we might should have stopped on, but to be honest with you, it could have went straight through there. So that was our loss in Series 2, but we'd already won 5 in a row there. So we picked that one up pretty good. That was smart. We picked up a double cross against the trend, and we were able to win with it. Yeah, that was awesome. I mean, dude, are you freaking out now?
That was pretty sweet, dude.
So this is day 4. April 1st. Yeah, I'm gonna keep these sheets because that's pretty awesome, dude. So from now on, real quick before I go to bed, From now on, we're gonna work off our first trade and martingale off our first trade, right?
So we're gonna martingale one, get our initial balance, go for 4 wins, then divide. Then we've got
So our
3
first
tries.
trade would be $1.56. So we'd have to martingale that first trade. As soon as we win it, we go straight into trade 2, straight into trade 3.
Now, if we lose there, then we have to go back and win that first trade again. And if we lose it, we have to martingale it. So,
Yeah.
it could get, on some nights, it could get frustrating if we lose during that first series. But
But once we're out of that first series, we have 3
we have 3 tries.
Like once you clear that first series, you're pretty safe. You got 3 tries to win 3 in a row.
Yeah.
So, yeah, I mean, all you need here is a good 4 in a row. I don't know. It could get frustrating, maybe, but we're winning a lot.
But we did
I
it
went
pretty
back.
easily tonight. So
Yeah.
with our
we
with our
didn't-
strategy and our method, we can win several in a row pretty easily. All we need is a good trend, and we got it. 4 consecutive wins isn't that many. Is it really 4 or is it 5?
What?
Well, is it 5 or is it?
It's 4. It's the first trade, the second trade, the third trade, the fourth trade. It's 4.
Okay.
If you wanted to do it like
Does
we
it
did tonight-
deduct? Now, what I'm wondering is, since you're using yesterday's profit as your first trade, are you actually counting the profit for the day's winnings, or are you including that the initial usage of the account?
Well, I mean, tonight we kind of did something weird. We started out with this $1.25 as our first trade.
Mm-hmm.
And when we lost it, we just martingaled that. But technically, we should have started with $1.56. And when we won that, we should have dropped our next trade to $1.25, taken that dollar profit out of this dollar, then it wouldn't touch our account balance at all.
So did we actually profit 11 something, or was it?
Yeah, I mean, honestly, today, and I don't know why, because today we profited $11.74. I mean, your account was at $5.98, and now it's at $6.10. I mean, so
we profited how much then?
$11.74.
Okay. It's at 6 what?
Huh?
What's my account at 6 what?
$6.10.
Okay.
So like we profited $11.74. We got to do the math on this because we could just do what we did tonight was kind of weird. We lost our first one, martingaled it, and kept going.
Yeah, should we have done that?
I think so. Yeah, I think that you can keep going, but we only won 3 in that first series. So what I'm saying is, we didn't win 4 in that first series. So I don't know how we didn't lose a little bit of our profit there.
Yeah, did we actually make the profit? I mean, it sounds like we did.
We actually made the profit. The profit was actually made. I mean, your account
yeah, but
was
we
at
kept
5.
going. We counted the martingale as our first win, right?
Right. And we only won 3 in this roll. So we 1, 2, 3. That was it. We started, we lost, we did 1, 2, 3, and then we kept going.
Huh.
That would be, I'd rather do it that way than have to start up here with your first trade and then win 3 more.
Right.
But I'm not sure. Wait, I'm gonna have to do the math, not just in a spreadsheet. I'm gonna have to actually just type out write it out, and see why it works like that. So like, we could do tomorrow's. Let's do tomorrow's. Let's just do today's.
Yeah, what's our goal for tomorrow?
We did $1. Let's just do today's because our profit goal was $11.52, and we made $11.74. Doing it like this, we started with $1.25. Okay, so we started with $1.25 and we lost it. That was from yesterday's money.
Mm-hmm.
So that really went into our account. But then when we made that up, we did a 281 bid. I'm just going to do the math because I think 281 bid times 0.8. So we made 224. We made $2.24. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So minus the $1.25 that we lost, we actually had a profit right there. Our profit was right there. Our profit for the day was 0.99 cents. Okay.
Yeah.
So yeah, we started with a profit of $1. How'd that happen? Yeah, we started with a profit of $1. Okay. Then we went on, and then we went up from there. Our next one was 225. So that was okay. So what would have happened? So here's what would have happened if we would have went through this whole series and lost again. Maybe this is how we make it work better. So let's say we go through this whole thing again. If we lose again, we take that whole dollar. If we lost again, anytime in this series, we'd be back down to negative 99 cents from yesterday. Okay. Basically, we'd be down a trade again. So we'd have to make a second trade again.
Mm-hmm.
We'd have to make a 281. Okay, so hold on. We'd have to make it 281 times 0.8. 224 minus 0.99 cents. No, wait. 2.80 times 0.8. So we'd make $2.24. We'd be down 99 cents. So we'd be up 125. Yeah, maybe we don't have to do this first trade as like a certain percentage.
Mm-hmm.
It doesn't seem like we'd have to, because anytime you lose, well, here's the thing. We start with $1.25. Okay, track with me. Okay, if we go through this and win, we're good. If we lose at any time, we'd be trading on that $1.25. We'd have to martingale immediately. We'd have to immediately martingale. So we'd have to come up,
because that $1.25 is from the initial account, the initial
account. You'd have, if you lost any time, you'd have to immediately martingale. So you'd have to come up and do a second trade. So you'd have to do a $2.80. You'd already be at a second trade. Okay. And if you won that second trade, you could go on and do it. Anytime you lose the series, you'd have to go back up and you'd be on a second trade again. So you'd just be on a second trade every time you lost.
Yeah.
Which...
Oh, I see what you're saying. Yeah. Because if you lose it...
You would have lost the $1.25, and you'd go back, make a martingale, you'd win it.
Yeah.
But this would mean you'd only ever have to win 3 in a row to start. Your first series would only have to be 3 in a row.
So you win the martingale plus then 3 more.
No, you win the martingale plus 2 more.
Okay, and does that give you the full profit? Even I
Yeah.
guess what I'm asking is, are you including that initial balance which you borrowed from yesterday's winnings? Are you including that in today's profit?
Yeah. No,
You are?
it won't. No, you're just using yesterday's money. You're just using. Forget yesterday's money. You're using your account. Forget yesterday's money. It's not yesterday's money
Right,
anymore.
but is it added into your total?
Yeah, no, it isn't added into your profit. It just gives it back and gives you the profit.
Okay, that's what I mean. So you're when you use that final number, that is the profit, not
For
including
today, not
what
including
you started
what
with.
what you started.
Not
or
what
made
you
back.
put at risk for the initial trade.
Right, because when you martingale, you're going to make that up, and it's just going to go back into your account. This is still going to be representative of your actual profit today.
Yeah.
The only difference of this is there's a couple good things. The first good thing is you're not ever going to start at $1.56, because that's above where we really wanted to start. We can start at $1.25.
Right.
And that's really more like where our account is. It's more like 1% of your account.
Yeah. Where are we starting tomorrow?
So let me see. Your account was at 598, right? Your account was at 598. So 116.29 is what we're counting off of. 116.29 times 0.1. No, 116 times 0.01. $1.16. Okay, 0.01. Okay, hold on. 0.012. 116. Let's see what this is. I need 125. That's too much. Yeah, 0.011. So we can actually trade on 0.011 of our account. Or 1.1%, right? Yeah, 1.1% of your account is going to give you, so it would be 116. It's going to give you 127. Oops, $1.27. And it's going to give you a profit of, yeah, it's going to give you, first trade is going to equal your martingales at 127. It's going to be risking 130 of your account. It's actually, we need to make this math a little bit better, I think. This math is, this math needs to be 115. Yeah. 115, 1.1.
Well, in all fairness, we did throw this together right before we went live. So
113 is really what we need to be. 113. Oh, okay, yeah, it would be. It would be enough. Everything has to work out. Ooh, no, that would be negative 90. That would be negative 91 cents. That'd be negative 1%. It can't be that. It has to be 115. Oh, I think it does have to be 125. Would it matter? 1.20. These numbers just, I want them to be like, okay, 1.25. So it is 1.1%. So 116. No. I don't know. That's fine. It can be 1.1%. We're trading at like 1.1% of our account. So basically we want our profit to be, yeah, 1.1%. So 116 is our account balance right now.
mm-hmm.
This is going to be boring for you. 116 times 0.0. 116 times 116 times 0.0.
Why is it boring for me?
It's be 127. This is what we would want to do. Bid at $1.27. This is a black one because it's actually calculated. And these are our makeups. Okay, we're going to martingale.
You're trading $1.27.
Yep.
Okay.
We're trading $1.27. So if we get to our goal, we'll have a $4.40 surplus. If we get to our goal down here, we'll always have like a little bit of a surplus. But if we win high up, we'll have 440 surplus. So then also our first trade doesn't have to be 159 at all. Our first trade can just be 127.
Okay.
I think that would be better, even though, okay, let's say, so here's how it goes. We start out.
Is this for tomorrow or what?
Either way, like for today, this is the idea. We start out, we do 127, and we go down and we do 229, and we go down and we do 411. We're like, oh, this is great. And then we go to our second one, and then we would probably win, and we did. But what if we got to like this bid and we lost our trade 3? We trade 1 is $1.27, trade 2, and then we lose it. Now we're going to have to go to a martingale. We're immediately going to have to go to a trade 2, 286. And when we win that, then we'll go to 229, 411. And then if we lose down 411, we'll have to go to 286. We'll always be on a second trade.
Okay.
When we start over. Does that make sense?
But if we lose the trade 4, then which trade do we go to a trade 2 over there or go to trade 3?
If we lose trade 4, we have to go to a trade. We have to go back to the top.
It's always back to trade. Okay, any of those trades, it's back to trade 2 on the other one on the market.
Right, because we
because you've essentially only lost $1.27 trade.
Right.
From the original account balance.
From the original.
Gotcha.
Yeah, so trade one. And then why I think this is better is because before we were starting with a simple first trade that was like actually more than we could afford. And once we won it, then we go on to this. Now that means you have to win 4 in a row. With this, you only have to win 3 in a row. And if you lose, just go back to a trade 2 or trade 3, a trade 4, or trade 5. And as soon as you win, you're into a second trade, third trade, you're done.
Okay.
So it's like a loop. It's like a trade loop.
Oh, okay. I see what you're saying. Yeah, and you've only got 3 altogether. You got to win.
You don't have to win
Then
3.
you divide, and you're back into those categories.
When you divide, you've got 3 chances
at 3 wins.
At 3 wins in a row. And if you lose those 3, okay, if you lose all 3 of these,
then you're back to
go back up, and you'd have to martingale your first because you've still only risk $1.27 of your account.
Okay, so wait a minute. If you lose any of those 3, it's back to trade 2 up there.
Yep, it's back to a martingale because you've still. I mean, in this plan,
because you're still out that original $1.27. Okay, gotcha.
Right.
Gotcha. So it's a loop that always goes back to that trade 2, and if you lose that trade 2, then you're onto that trade 3, and then so on and so forth.
Yeah.
But as soon as you win any of those, then you're back
on to
over
trade 2.
to trade
Back
2
over
over
here,
here.
trade 2, trade 3, and then jump down here.
So it's a nice little loop.
I think so because why have to win 4 in a row when you could just win 3 in a row?
Well, yeah, I agree.
Because if not, we're going to have to increase our first trade. The martingale it is going to be on a bigger amount. I mean, yeah, we'll have
because
5,
then you're winning it just to take the profit from it and start out. Yes,
right.
I see what you're saying, but you can always just go back into the martingale if you lose anywhere in there. Yeah, that's a good point. This eliminates a lot of risk to your account overall.
Yeah, because as soon as you make your first win, you're good.
Exactly.
You go down to 2 or 3. If you lose any of that, okay, go back. You're martingaling. Once you get out of that first series, you're in the clear, dude. You got 3 chances to win 3 in a row, and
right.
I think it'd be hard to blow that out with how
right.
we're
and
trading.
as soon as you clear that, you've got 3 chances then to win 3 in a row.
Right. With no risk to your account.
This is a great plan. This is really a good plan. Okay, so tomorrow, do we start at $1.27 or where do we start?
Well, tomorrow, so what we have to do, here's how we do it. We're going to go into here and we're going to say, where are we at? I think it's that one. No, it's surf push. With this plan right here, we have to go, we're on day 5 right now, okay? Mm-hmm. Day 5, you have to look at our daily profit. It has to be $11.52.
Okay.
So we take 11. So what we have to do is we have to take 11.52. Hold on. Yeah, daily profit goal is 11.52.
Let's just round that to 12.
Well, if you round it to 12, it doesn't change anything in my chart. So right now, so if you have to win 11.52 right here, you're really going to take whatever your account is. I think that's probably the easier way to do it, is take whatever your account balance is, which yours is 610.68.
Mm-hmm.
610.68. Okay, so 610.68. You're basically trading balance is 122. Series trades, you're trading. Okay, so this one equals this number right here, trading balance. That equals your trading balance right there. So 122, your daily profit goals there. So you're going to make your first win. This right here is going to be equals that times 0.011. It's going to be $1.34. Okay. Does that make sense? Probably not. Trading balance. Okay, so trading balance. So trading balance is from the
It
other.
blows my mind that you just know how to make these charts like this. I mean,
Hmm.
you've done all that just in the last hour.
Yeah. Daily profit is 11.52.
Don't forget to save this.
Oh, it's saved. It's already saved.
Eric
So-
is the king of backup, so
Can you back up? So this is basically also calculated. So we don't have to do anything. All we have to do is we don't even have to know what our daily profit goal. Well, we can. So what we have to do is look at this chart right here.
well, we have to kind of know when we hit it, don't we?
Yeah, we have to look at this chart right here, and we'll go to like tomorrow's day 5, level 5. Our daily profit goal on full account growth is 1152. That's 576 on either side. So 1152 is what we would know. Okay, that's what we have to make. But basically, once you put your account balance, your trading balance in, once I put your full account balance in here, it splits it off and tells us that you're trading on $122. That number automatically populates this field, tells us that, and then that automatically calculates this at 0.011, which is 1.1%. And then this is your daily profit goal, which we write that in. You know, we can write this in, daily profit goal. So this is a green field. This doesn't really need to be anything. This is just for us to know. Daily profit goal, and then you look down here and it shows you what your surplus will be if you reach your goals at any time. So the surplus is 498 here. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And even there, even if you get down to here, you'd still be at $1.10. So you're going to win more than you need to every day.
Okay,
with
I
this.
see.
Depending on what, I mean, that's a lot more than you need. You only need 1152, and you're going to
So
win.
if we win at any level with a surplus, then basically, okay, here's my question. Does that surplus at all kick us over to anywhere near like a second? Does it eliminate any trades at the top on the next day? Like, it eliminates probably the first trade, right?
I don't know how you do that because we're based off the trading balance, the actual trading
Okay, best
balance.
case scenario, you get the, what is it, 4? What's the highest level of overage you got? Like 4 something? Does that make sense?
Oh, this probably should be based off this, not off what we actually have.
Off what your account balance should be starting the next day.
Yeah, because your account balance for tomorrow should be 121, but it's really going to be more than that if it's calculated off this because that says it's 122. So you actually have we'll need 121 to start, but we have 122 actually.
Okay.
So there's actually a surplus already.
Okay.
So
If we have that surplus, we kind of need to know because we can use that surplus.
okay, really?
Hmm?
Surplus equals this number minus that number, or surplus equals this number. I mean, if we're going to trade off our surplus,
Well, that's what it's there for, right? We may already have some surplus. I don't know.
we have like $1 surplus. But how are we going to figure that out?
I don't know.
Like, I think it would be hard to do this every day. I don't think we should work. I don't think we should worry about our surplus. I think we should just
Probably
start trading,
shouldn't. Honestly, we
because
probably
it's
should
going to
just
be
keep going.
because what if we have $3 surplus? Okay, that's a couple extra trades. Like, are we going to burn through it? No, I think we should just come in and martingale the first loss and just keep going. And if we get a surplus of like $30, we could say, okay, we're jumping a level. We just actually surplused us up like.
Well, that's where we would need to look at it. Is if that surplus actually sent us up a couple levels.
Right.
We could just let it catch up and be like, okay, we're actually on level X versus where
Right.
thought
We could say,
were.
okay, we could just jump up 2 levels if we realized, so this is what we need to do. We need to actually calculate this. We need to write these 2 things down in every day. We're at 120. So tomorrow we're at 1. So here's how I would do it. I would go tomorrow, we're at day 5. We're at 121. Our trading balance is at 121 at this level.
Mhm.
The level trading balance. Okay, 121.
Mhm.
And actually, we can probably get rid of the decimals on this, right? And then our daily profit goal for tomorrow is 1152. It's right here. That's our daily profit goal. So we put that in here just so we know we're at 1152. And then this is off of this is calculated off this one. So now if we win, we'll be in a surplus. And so if we go 3 days and we win like right here on series 2,
Mhm.
we're gonna actually clear another day. If we
I
do-
was thinking that. Yeah.
So we would just look at it and go like, oh look, we're actually, our trading balance is actually a day or 2 ahead. So it would just clear extra days. We would clear, that's $16 in surplus. That's another.
That's
day.
another good thing about doing it this way, about this system.
Yeah, because you win a couple and you win a couple good nights. You've cleared night plus another little bit of another night. You do that a couple nights in a row, you might clear an extra day in 3 days. So you've cleared 4
Yeah.
days in 3 days. So we're not at danger. I mean, I'll think about this over the next couple of days, dude. We'll talk about it.
This is a good system. It keeps us out of danger of risking the account long term. It risks time more than anything because, if we get in, we get a couple wins and then a loss before we get to level 2. Then that's we almost lost. We almost lost at the second level when we divided up. I mean, we lost the first 2 tries. We could have lost it, but worst case scenario,
we would be back at a second trade.
we'd be back at a second trade. Yeah, I mean,
dude, we would just be back at a second trade. I mean, the only thing is it feels like we would actually.
but it went pretty fast ultimately. I mean,
this was the fastest night ever, dude. We've never.
We cleared it real quick, and it only took
30 minutes, dude.
how many trades total?
Okay, so how many trades did we win?
Well, no, all together, how many trades did we place?
We placed 1, 2, 3, 4.
Had to be
5,
less
6,
than 12.
7, 8, 9, 10. We placed 11 trades.
Okay.
We won 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay, so we won 8 trades. We placed 11.
I mean, that's
So we placed less trades than we normally have to win.
yeah, dude. We're placing like probably 25, 30 trades a night.
Yeah.
Well, I'll tell you. I have my book from yesterday. I'll tell you how many we placed last night. The last 2 nights we've done this.
You also have our win rates,
Yeah.
loss, win.
Our win rate was really good tonight, dude. I bet we were in 80% tonight.
Yeah, actually. I bet
on.
so.
Day 2, we placed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 trades yesterday. The day before that, we placed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So we're placing like 20-some trades.
Wow.
And then our win rate tonight, dude, which actually, to be honest with you, was probably pretty good because we placed 8 trades and we won 11. So that's
Other way around, but yeah.
8 divided by 11. We're at 72% win rate. Did you hear that?
72, huh?
72%. That's high.
That is high. That's good. That's
I think
real
you
good.
could probably only get to like 80%, to be honest.
Yeah. It's actually really good.
11.7, so we had 11.75 profit or something. Yeah. won 8, placed 11, 72% win rate. We weren't in danger. I mean,
There was just a lot of good things about this strategy.
yeah, I agree with you. Like you said, the only thing that could like make us really mad is if we
Get all the way to the last trade and lose.
yeah, we get the last trade of the third series and we lose it. But I mean, dude, I don't know if that's going to happen with our method. I guess it could, but if I look back at the last 2 nights that we did, we didn't. That wouldn't have happened because we won 5 in a row the first night. That was day 3. We won 5 in a row. Then we lost 4. Then we won 3 in a row. Then we lost 2. Then we won 2, and then we won 2. So, and then last night we won 3 in a row, which would have been good. Then we won 2 in a row, lost that. Then we won 1. Then we won 1, 2, 3, 4 in a row, 5 in a row.
So we'd have won there.
We would have won there too, pretty easily. Yeah,
And the account was never in danger with martingaling every single trade.
If we come out of the gate and win 3 in a row, we have 3 more chances to win 3 in a row, and I think we'll do it like almost no problem. Like it feels like, and if we don't do it, then dude, we have to go to Martingale and not lose 5 bids. I mean, we'll only have 5 deep. That's the only negative to this.
Okay, so there was only 5 trades deep in the Martingale.
Yeah, I mean it's 6, but you're always starting on a second. Well, you're not always starting on. You're just once your first trade is $1.33, then so it's technically 6 deep, but when you lose, you're coming back to a second trade.
Right. Okay, gotcha.
But
I mean, I think we're okay. I think we're doing all right.
Yeah.
This is a good. I mean, honestly, this is a great plan moving forward. This is good. It keeps us out of danger, gives us the opportunity to actually make a surplus at the end of the night.
Yeah, and we can tweak that percentage as we go. Let's imagine that our live trading balance was 10 times this, $10,000. So our bids were 110. Okay. The other thing this does, bro, is it actually causes us not to get into real high, like this martingale trade. You have to win 4. You're already at a $1,200 trade. Over here, you never get you never do that. Your trades go 110, 198, 356.
Right.
And then you drop down to 177, 318, 574.
Yeah.
And you don't have to make those up.
Right.
And then, dude, oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Bro.
Yeah, that's true. So, okay, what about when you get into like $300 trades?
Hold on.
You could even go higher because if you're
Hold on a minute. The surplus looks off on this, but it might actually be really killer.
Whoa, are you saying that there's the potential to win a surplus of $2,000 at the end of the day?
Yeah, because hold on. Let's make sure this is right because you have a $10,000 account. So on this $10,000 account, when you go down here, yeah, this is where you're trying to get to $100 trades, okay?
Right.
You're trying to win $500. You're trying to win $500 growth, right?
Mm-hmm.
And actually, that $1,000 is actually your full account growth. So yeah, you're trying to win $1,000. 500 of it is for your growth, and 500 it is for your fortification, right?
Right. Right.
But let's just say we're trying to win $1,000. So over here, if you go 531 as your profit, you get to this. Total profit is. Why does this look all jank-wanked?
Is it?
Hold on. Okay. 531. Hold on. So your profit here is 531, right?
Mm-hmm.
Split that profit. B 16 times 0.08. Okay.
That's right. I just did the math.
Oh, plus 604. Plus what? Why does that say plus 604? Okay, so this should be plus C9. This should say plus C9. Okay, this should say plus C9. Okay. Okay, yeah, there it is. Okay. Oh, because I see, okay. The profit we want is 1013, right? So I have to put that in here. I have to put 1013 in there. Okay. Then I have to say, yeah, and that was right. Okay. You're at 531. Okay. Just checking the math. Minus 77. People are probably like so bored of watching us do this.
I don't know that anyone is watching at this point. So,
Oh, yeah, one person. 77 minus 177.
hi, one person. Where are you from? Leave us a comment. Give us a thumbs up. Something. Let us know who you are and that you're watching, and we'll be sure to say hi to you. We're just figuring out where we're going from here. So we had a killer night tonight. We made our profit.
Well, look at this, bro. Yeah, now the profit number, now the surplus numbers are right. We start making $110 bids. If we win on this series, we have a surplus of $375.
That's a nice day's bonus right there.
That's a bonus, dude. And if we win on the second one, we have a $197 bonus. If we win on the third one, we still get a $20 bonus.
Wow.
So that will kick us up levels or just be more profit for us. So that's actually
once we get, because if we get to like $100 trades, I mean, that's like,
we're
so what do we
going
come out
for
with?
$1,000 profit, but we're getting $1,300 profit.
Holy smokes. So yeah, so for the day we take out $1,300 if we close there.
Yeah. Well, technically we would only take out half unless we stayed at this level. Yeah.
Well, once we get there and camp at that level permanently,
yeah, then we can take out the full thing.
You can take out the whole thing because you could keep splitting it in half for about the first couple of months or whatever, just to build up multiple levels of fortification, in your other.
Yeah, because you got to be at $10,000 fortification on this level.
So you could get about 30,000 into your account, and then.
So yeah, this would actually be it. It would be every day if you camped out at level 100 or $110 trades, and you did that 365 days a year, you could be pulling out $500,000 a year. So this number now, dude, this number that over here that we think we're going to make was going to be 184,000 times 2. It's going to be a lot more because every day your surplus is like $300-$400 if you get that much.
Yeah.
So this is like a worst case scenario. You camp out on this goal. Okay, we should make one more column here. Okay. Full growth equals this number times 2. Because we have half accounts and we have full accounts. So this is the full growth. Full growth on this. Full growth on day 100 is, you're talking about 369,000. But then this was saying that it would be more like 500,000 because every day, if you do well, you're going to get a bonus.
Right, exactly.
Dude, this is insane. All right, folks. What we're saying is we've created an awesome plan. It got even awesomer tonight, and I don't know. I guess we just go forward with this and see what happens. I mean, see if we get there and we just stink at it and we never.
Well,
can
we
get
nailed
right.
it tonight. That's for sure. I mean, it wasn't that hard.
No, it was not hard, and I don't think it will be. Like I said, the only thing is if you get stuck, like
It could get frustrating if you hit a night where you keep losing, have to go back to that second bid or second trade, and then win it, and then go back, and then you lose again and have to go back to the second trade. That could get frustrating, but ultimately your account is still safe through all of that. So, and that's the important thing.
Yeah, I think it's frustrating is relative because what's frustrating is being on a fifth bid where you feel like you're gonna die.
Yeah, fifth
that's
trade where you blow out
frustrating.
your account and you feel like you're really at risk. Yeah, that's what's frustrating. This I could live with because even if it takes us a little longer to get the consecutive wins we need for the night, no
Longer,
big deal.
Not longer nightly. I mean, just longer that
Well,
night.
if
It's not
you
going to take
keep-
longer. Yeah.
Well, it could take longer if we lose and have to, like if we lose where we're in the split series and we lose all 3 tries, then
Right. Then we have to start over
have to start over. That could get frustrating if we have to do that 10 times. But
10 times.
I mean,
We have
however
to
many.
do that.
I don't think we're going to lose that much, though. I mean, we usually don't. We usually win several. With our strategy, we win consecutively pretty often. So I think this is a great, especially given our trading strategy. I think this is a great plan
Yeah.
because it's very easy to win a lot of consecutive trades with the trading strategy we use.
Right. It kind
'Cause
of
we-
lends itself to multiple wins in a row.
Yeah.
This is a lot of spreadsheet, dude. Our spreadsheet is evolving like so
I've noticed.
weird. I mean, our method is not changing, but we keep evolving the. Well, this column I added today was just like full because the trading growth is really only our 6 wins.
Right.
That's your trading account growth, and your full.
But
account
we also
growth,
have the full account, yeah, which is different.
it's like double, yeah. Trading account growth. All right, I gotta go to bed, man. It's time.
Okay, bro. Well,
So I'm not gonna put this up on a podcast tonight. Let's just talk about it. See what happens.
yeah, sounds good.
All right,
We'll
bye.
we'll see you back tomorrow night. We're trading on the weekends again, everybody. So we will see you tomorrow night if you're still watching. If you're not, then I won't say anything to you because you're not watching. All right. Have a good night.